whether GST will be applicable in case of cooperative societies. So in this video, we'll discuss the complete scenario. Recently, a specific report analyzed the complete scenario, complete situation. In that report, they provided that if the turnover of the cooperative society, whether it is a political party related cooperative society or other cooperative societies, if the turnover crosses the specific limit of 20 lakh rupees, then yes, GST is required. And they compared this situation with the chit fund companies. So first, let's start our discussion on the chit fund companies. Chit fund companies are basically collecting certain amount over the period of time on monthly installment basis. And in case of chit fund companies, the GST is applicable at the rate of 18%. And if the counterparty is not claiming the input tax credit, in that case, rate of GST will be 12%. So in this report, they compare the chit fund companies with the cooperative society, and they found both are similar, because cooperative societies are also collecting the amount from the members in case of group deposit scheme or monthly deposit scheme. So yes, the same is a consideration, and they are providing their services, so GST should be applicable. And the same analysis has been provided by this report. So nowadays, this report is very important from the applicability of GST in case of cooperative society. So we all should take care of this report, consider this report, and analyze the different scenarios with respect to the future of GST in case of cooperative societies. Thank you. Stay connected for more such updates.